Hi guys, have you ever wanted to draw Nikki Maxwell from Dork Diaries? Well, today's your lucky day. So let's start drawing her. First, we're going to start with the face. So we're going to make a shape like that. Okay. Now we're going to draw like the hair. So you're going to draw the C shape. And another C shape right over there. And you're gonna make 2 more C's behind that. And these are for like the roots. There we go. Now you can connect these. Just like that. And you're gonna do something like that, and now we're going to make like the little ponytails. And remember to make like these lines, because I've like seen the art of Dork Diaries and I've like seen lines everywhere, so you have to do them too. Now let's draw the eyes. So we're gonna make these little things for the eyes and like circle inside them. There we go. Okay, that looks very cute. Now we're going to make like the neck so we can continue with the body. I'm gonna come across. Okay, now you're gonna connect these. And these are the hands. Just like that. And now we're going to draw like a pattern on the shirt. You're gonna color in that. Random pattern. You can also do any pattern that you want to do, like zigzags or anything else, because it depends on your creativity too. So you can do however you like it. There we go. Now we're going to make the jeans. And now we're going to make her little shoes. So yeah, now we can make like little pockets. And there we go, our drawing is completed. All done. I hope you enjoyed this drawing with me. Like and subscribe so I can draw Mackenzie next. Bye for now.